how to open the Xiaomi G20 Max vacuum cleaner. So did you know that you can actually open this part of this vacuum cleaner and change filters or clean it? So all you're gonna have to do is to just grab your Xiaomi vacuum cleaner and rotate it, and here you'll find this little part and this little arrow. So pull this thing this side and grab this side and just pull it. Next step, to open it, you can grab this filter and also grab this little thing and rotate it, and this is opened. We got here 3 parts, and also you can rotate this thing, grab it and pull it, and we have multiple separate parts of this vacuum cleaner. You can actually clean that to help to your suction level, to make it maintained and to make it properly working. If you want to build it back, repeat the process, grab this. Here are 2 locks, so make sure to lock it. Grab this orange thing, put it here, rotate, and it should be locked. This little filter here, and rotate it like this and put it back to its place. So that should be it. It's done. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.